Your team has several guidelines to consider before you have a fully developed release plan. This includes how the project will be divided, the size and frequency of iterations, the length of your team's sprints, and which customers will get the initial releases. The different options encapsulated in each of these guidelines will give your team plenty of options to work with to build a release plan that works for you. Also, remember that these guidelines aren't set in stone. They act as a guide that you may later change as you develop more products in your release plan and uncover new information about how your team works best. Remember, you can provide the most relevant product more quickly through release planning.